few days ago, we heard the bad news of tragedy happened in the mountainside of Nepal, but many people died. Some are missing. But today we are gathered here together at the Mutanda Nunnery, and we're going to pray for those people who passed away in that tragedy state.
Deja